Number 1. Contemporary Slinky Sofa Armrest Table, now in Blue Jay. The Otto's couch arm table features a cell phone and tablet stand and was laser cut and handcrafted. Poplar, cherry, pine, light walnut, dark walnut, wenge, and other wood species come in 20 hand-painted satin finishes and colors. For you, this is a fantastic product. It's made of poplar plywood and felt. The thickness of the plywood is 6 mm and the felt on the bottom is 1 mm. Check the size of your couch or armchair's armrest, which must be flat and at least 127 mm, 5 wide. I'm back with ATOS in a fresh shade called J Blue. As a little side table or a tray by folding over, Ottos can also be used on the couch. Coming to number 2, Cinera Edge, a 5K OLED HMD with Dolby Digital 5.1 headphone. The Cinera Edge offers many important improvements over the predecessor, including built-in headphones, real mobility, and long session comfort. The projection systems used in movie theaters commonly use the DCI-P3 color standard, and so does its screen. Unlike the majority of other devices on the market, each of the two screens on the Cinera Edge offers the astounding 2560 by 1440 pixels. Micro OLED, the most recent technology, is utilized by Cinera Edge. We used micro OLED to significantly shrink the form factor while still fitting the same number of pixels as in Cinera V1. Higher resolution brings a sharper image with more details. Coming to number 3, Boogie Dice, self-rolling, sound-activated gaming dice. A quick-moving, real-time card game called Bots Battleground was created expressly to make use of the unique features of Boogie Dice. Players compete against one another using bot cards, and the Boogie Dice determine the length and special rules of each round while power tokens keep score. A vibration motor, a tiny microphone, a microprocessor, a rechargeable battery, and 3 LED lights are all contained inside each Boogie Dice. The motor begins to turn when the microphone picks up a sudden, loud sound, like a hand clap or a finger snap, which makes the dice bounce and roll. Numerous new games may be created for it because the dice can be programmed to behave in various ways, such as stop listening at random times or turning on the red LED while a turn is being played. Coming to number 4, Clorox Air Purifier. Additionally, it includes 3-stage HEPA filtration here. The true HEPA filter, which captures 99.97% of allergens and particulates as small as 0.1 microns and 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, and the active carbon filter, which reduces VOCs and odors to keep the air smelling fresh. The first pre-filter, which traps large dust particles and pet hair. A touchscreen panel with real-time PM 2.5 measurements is used to communicate air quality. It is perfect for cleaning medium-sized rooms up to 5 times an hour when used in a space measuring 225 square feet, and once an hour when used in a space measuring up to 1,000 square feet. Air quality is continuously monitored by an embedded sensor. When the air quality varies, the auto mode automatically adjusts the fan speeds. Coming to number 5, G-Case all-in-one gaming case for Nintendo Switch and OLED. It is a portable, cozy, and potent Switch gaming case that will elevate your console gaming experience. You will only require it for Switch and OLED. We are aware that this might seem like a strong statement, but it does have features you must have been hoping for, such as increased battery life, cozy grips, a detachable Joy-Con case, low-latency Bluetooth, and more game card slots. Everything you need is contained in a little secure case. We have developed an ecosystem consisting of a dock, controller adapter, and travel case with G-Case to make it Switch enough for gaming on the road. We transform your Switch into a tool that can actually keep up with your game with Plenbo gaming accessories. Love spending countless hours playing your game, however the battery dies so quickly when you're out and about. You may add up to 5 hours of additional life to the G-Case modular battery each time. Still insufficient? With a backup modular battery, you can now reload the power whenever you want, play for whatever long you want, and continue through to the end. Coming to number 6, SnapJet. Turn your smartphone into a Polaroid film printer. You never have to worry about compatibility with your phone because it can scan a picture from any display. But don't be fooled by SnapJet's straightforward interface. Additionally, we used USB, BLE, and an OLED display. The Snappy's revolutionary optical technology enables you to flawlessly copy the image on your smartphone's high-quality display, so all you tinkerers and photographers out there can manipulate exposures, hack, and reprogram it. It is adaptable. Use it to produce personalized on-the-spot business cards at your next gathering. Or take it to a coffee shop with your scrapbook. Even more intriguing are the Instax photograph's artistic potential after being printed on the SnapJet. This fiber bundle or array may transport an object from one surface to another as if there were no distance between them. This is where SnapJet's heart is. In essence, it is a collection of tiny optical fibers that have been fused together. We'll make all of our visuals and designs available to the public.